Hi, I'm Marjie Kemper, and I am thrilled to share with you video number 10 in my series of 10 videos on artist trading coins. Thank you so much for your enthusiasm and comments on the other videos. You can find them in the playlist below this one if you're new to this series. And I'm just thrilled to be finished with it. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you days 91 through 100. The first one is a jelly plate. I like the painted background, and then it's got stamping and stickers on top. This one is Distress Inks with stamping. I love this fellow. He's a light bulb stamp from Darkroom Door. Here's more Distress Ink and stamping. This one is Dylusions Ink in the background, Dylusions Ink Sprays. Distress Ink on top with some embossing. You can see a little bit of the shimmer on the letters. And then some brads to hold it together. This one is more Distress Inks. And then the next one went missing. This is the third time in all 100 of these that one has gone missing, and it's this one. And you can see it's a combination of embossing, Dylusions Ink Sprays, and stamping. Okay, this one is Dylusions Ink Sprays, textured small circle on the larger circle, and some old-fashioned lacing brads. This one is a jelly plate with collage. And then this is the final one, number 100. Yay, 100, the end. This one is, these are actually hard, very hard, sturdy squares from Ampersand. And I used Distress Ink on them and then a little bit of embellishing, and a happy the end. Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed these. I am really happy to be finished with the project. It was great to do it, but I'm also very, very relieved that it's finished. You'll find a link to all the others below, as well as two other links I'm going to drop in. One is for my artist trading card and artist trading coin workshop. Depending on the time of year you watch this, it will either take you to the full detail page where you can sign up, or it will take you to a waiting list page where you can enter your email, and then I'll let you know when it opens again. The second link is for my free printable ATC backings. These are downloads that you can have access to immediately. And if you go ahead and make artist trading coins or cards, you can attach these labels to your background. This one is the coin size, and the next page is the card size. And it just gives you information to share with people that you might trade or swap the ATCs with, such as your name, email, whether these are original, one of a kind, etc., the date you created them, that sort of thing. So I hope you'll take advantage of those two links down below, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Who knows what's coming up next?